Hello, everybody. My name is Morgan. I am 24 years old. I am from New Jersey. I have my bachelor's in psychology. So I kind of just started this program. I'm only a couple courses in. Sorry, that's my dog. So I've never had a work role in the field. I've never encountered, in the workplace, encountered anybody made a or that had a mental illness and made a diagnosis. But I do believe that mental health diagnoses are extremely important for a person's quality of life. If they have mental health problems, they can get properly diagnosed and have a better quality of life. In what ways do I participate to make a DSM-5 diagnosis? Well, like I said, I am not in the field yet, but I am eager to figure out how to make a DSM-5 diagnosis and go through the DSM-5. I think it's really interesting, and I'm really excited for the course. Thank you, guys.